Hey, what is up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about video marketing. What is video marketing? Video marketing is anything like a video and does with marketing, does with sales, conversions, and backed up with content and a call to action. And if you can do that, have them follow up. If you follow up with them, tell them a call to action and tell them to do something backed up by great content and having their attention, then that's how you market your business and make sales. Call to action, the differentiating factor. There is a visual call to action. It gets people more motivated to take action. And especially if it's backed up with, like I said, good content, but also an irresistible offer. Stats via expanded rambling. An average person watches 1 hour 17 minutes per day, and 87% of brands use marketing. And it's only going to increase from there because use video marketing. It's only going to increase from there because it's in high demand. You can build trust and it's relatable and it's a lot, you can engage a lot more. Yeah, especially if you use video marketing, for example, for live, for Q&A, for webinars, all these things that make you engage with your audience and you can solve their problems just right in front of their face through a video. It makes your brand more trustworthy and you will convert a lot more. Stats via live stream. 70% of marketers claim video produces more conversions than any other content, and there's 1,200% more shares than text and images combined. Like I said, live streaming has a lot more engagement. So if you go live stream on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or whatever, you can engage with all these people on Q&A. You can do it as entertainment. You can follow up and see, like kind of like in this picture, it looks like they're having an event and they're going live and showing what's happening in the event. So you do these things to build awareness and to build in a foundation for your brand. And if you can do that, you'll convert a lot more and connect more with your audience. Stats on YouTube, over 1 billion users, second largest search engine. Average user spends 40 minutes per session. And that's a lot of time because me, for example, is 15 to 20 minutes because I want to watch something and get it done quick. But if you're going live or if you're watching a workshop or you're really having to watch something that requires time, then it requires video marketing. And if like you can just watch a free class, and it's a lot more convenient and you can convert a lot more once you solve their problem. YouTube versus TV. YouTube has a bigger audience among 18 to 49-year olds demographic than every cable network in the US, and that's only going to get better and better because YouTube is more convenient and has more of a purpose of solving people's problem other than just entertainment. Facebook video stats, over 8 billion views daily, 100 million hours watched daily. And that's because Facebook used to just be mainly images and text. Now videos have taken over not just Facebook, but over every social media because it's more engagement, more entertaining, and you can catch a feeling through the video. And you can have them call to action and convert them to the next step in your funnel. Why video marketing is a great opportunity? Because it can be really simple. It's in very high demand. Every business needs it if you want to succeed. Builds relationships and drives more conversions and makes more sales because you're face to face. And as long as you're providing more value up front and in a video where they can relate, and you can convert a lot more easier. But with that said, I hope you got a lot of value from this video. Like and subscribe, comment down below how video marketing can benefit your business and what you can use it for, because there's a lot more things you can use other than just ads, other than just going live, like ads, webinars, a lot of ways. And as long as you're being creative with your video marketing and do guerrilla marketing and you're creative and you catch these people attention, and their awareness, and you follow up with good content and a call to action at the end, then that is exactly how you have great video marketing, and that's how you'll make more sales. All right, guys, like and subscribe. Peace.